Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator. I do not know why it is really laggy right now. They've added a lot of new airports since I last played. We are going to be doing an air show at Greater Rockford with my Blue Angels jet that I got in this game. If you haven't joined my Roblox group already, you probably should. We don't have that many members right now. I'll show you that closer to the end. I don't know. So we want to go to Modern Military. There's actually a lot of new stuff, I think. I don't know, yeah. So this is what we're going to need. The F-18. The F-18 Blue Angels jet paint. I don't know why it's being really laggy suddenly. Yeah, that's really weird. If that guy bought the Game Pass, he'd be able to fly this. I really don't think he can fly though, because he didn't buy the Game Pass. It won't let him. Good. Let's get... Why the heck is this not working? Let's zoom out. Smoke on. Wait, we need our engine. Okay, let's start. Wait, if there's any... No, there's not control tower. Who cares? Anyway, then. I can't handle this lag. I just want to take off. I think at the very beginning we're gonna pull off a back flip. I don't feel good about this. I feel we're gonna crash. So we're gonna... Knew it. Wait. Okay. Now let's zoop up, around, down, and there we go. We're going up for another loop. We might not make it this time, I don't know. Yeah, we're right in front of the building. We're definitely gonna hit it. What? Yo, that was so scary. Dude, I'm gonna do a tower pass by. I always mess up. I always mess up. I bet I'm gonna mess up this time. I've never gone from this direction. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who's that arrow? I feel like that arrow might be a boon. We just broke the barrier. Boom! I guess we're going for a barrel roll. It looks like not a flip. I think I'm gonna make this video 6 minutes long, like the last video, part 3 of Cabin Simulator. I feel like this is gonna get a lot of views because a lot of people are gonna be searching Blue Angels. I know. I've seen them before though. It's really cool. I've seen them in the best place ever too. Over the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay, so let's go for a pass by flip, I think. We're going low, and then we're going flip. Ooh. Yeah, we're kind of leading to the side. That's a little bit bad. We're gonna make this flip though. We're pretty high. Ooh, we just scraped We're scraping. We're scraping. I'm trying not to hit any buildings. Go up. Go up. Please, please, please do not sail into the water. Go up, please, please. Okay, there we go. Let's zoom all the way in because it's pretty fun like this. Let's go a little bit higher this time, though. Whoa, I've never done a backflip in first person. That was amazing. Let's fly inverted. I'm not the best inverted flyer ever. Whoop. What? Okay, let's try inverted now. Whoa. Whoa, Buster. Set down. I'm gonna flip back upwards. Turn off. Whoa, what's happening? I don't know where we are. There we are. I don't know where we are, but I think I see Perth. I don't know, we're shooting up into the sky. Let's head down. We're right above Greater Rockford. There we go. Spiral, spiral, spiral down. Okay, yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this little air show that I pulled off. It's finished by pulling up and landing at greater. Let's slow down the speed. I'm slowing down the speed already. Let's turn off our smoke. We're dropping. I'm lowering the speed notch by notch. We are at 5 speed. Let's go land now. Okay. Smoke on. Speed 0. We're coming in. We're about to flip. I feel like, yeah, we're sailing up into the air. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out. Blocks out. Blocks out.